So this is amazing. When the bird goes crazy, I know one of two things is happening. I've got home, or my supplements are here. This is insane. This is insane. Pretty bird, the bird, every single time when the subs come through, Pretty bird goes bananas. All the time. You are a legend. You're a legend. Pretty bird the legend. You're better than any guard dog, any animal I know. Alright, we're about to check out what I got from MTS Nutrition. Hold on right here, don't go anywhere. One box. Two boxes. People say knife. I say I'm a savage. Okay. Let's see what we got in here. Woo! We've got some chocolate protein. Yeah. We've got some drop factor, fat burner. We got some machine fuel. And we also as you can tell at Tigerfitness, they pack things well. We have also got some L-carnitine. Woo! Some more protein. Machine fuel. And more drop factor. To Pretty Bird, the legend. It's not a game.